Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today we are making this easy and delicious yogurt parfait. They can be munched on as a quick snack or as breakfast or even as a dessert. If you are concerned about your waistline but you crave for something sweet and delicious, then this recipe is for you. Hope you guys like it. For this recipe, let's first make vanilla yogurt. So I have taken 1 cup of plain yogurt. To this add 1.5 tablespoon of honey. The sweetness can vary according to your liking. If you want the parfait to be more sweet, then add extra honey. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix well until everything is well combined. Alright, so our vanilla yogurt is ready. It looks nice and smooth, so let's keep this aside. For the parfait, I have taken 3/4 cup of muesli. If you do not have muesli, replace it with granola or cornflakes with dry fruits. 1/4 cup of chopped strawberries. 1/4 cup of chopped kiwi. 1/4 cup of chopped oranges. And finally 1/4 cup of sliced bananas. So the fruits can be of your choice. It can be fresh fruits or frozen fruits or dry fruits, or even if you have just one fruit at home, that will do. Alright, so let's start to layer the parfait. So I've taken a glass, and to this let's add 2 tablespoons of vanilla yogurt. Top the yogurt with some fresh fruit. So I am topping the yogurt with some pieces of kiwi, few slices of banana, few pieces of orange, and finally some chopped up strawberries. Now top the fruits with some muesli. I've taken about 1.5 tablespoon of muesli. Now repeat the layers. Around 2 tablespoons of vanilla yogurt. Some fresh fruits. And finally muesli. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla yogurt right on the top for garnish, and also some additional fresh fruits. And there we go, our yogurt parfait. Serve them as it is or drizzle some honey and enjoy. But make sure that you serve them immediately, otherwise the muesli will become all soggy. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Instagram. I'll see you guys again with another Scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.